Are you ready to revolutionize your streaming experience? Today, we're diving into how to utilize HDMI encoders for IPTV like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with vital knowledge to set up your own streaming service. First things first, let's discuss what an HDMI encoder actually does. It takes an HDMI signal from devices like cameras or media players, encodes it, and streams that signal over the internet. This means you can broadcast live events or share content seamlessly. If you're looking for the best IPTV experience, you can't go wrong with an HDMI encoder. Now, let's jump into the components you'll need. Make sure you have an HDMI encoder capable of H264 or H265 encoding. Models like the Blankum HD265L are perfect as they offer HEVC compression, which saves bandwidth while maintaining high quality. Next, you'll need a reliable internet connection. Aim for a minimum upload speed of 5 Mbps for standard streaming, but if you're broadcasting in higher resolutions, consider a speed of at least 20 Mbps. Once you have your encoder and connection ready, it's time to connect everything. Plug the HDMI output from your camera or media device into the encoder's HDMI input. Then, connect the encoder to your network via Ethernet. Avoid Wi-Fi for stability. After that, power up the encoder and access its web interface through your browser. Here, you can configure different streaming settings. Make sure to set the resolution. 1080p is standard, and bitrate, around 4000 kbps for high quality. That suits your needs. A common mistake to avoid is neglecting audio setup. Ensure your HDMI encoder is set to capture audio from your source. Check your levels to avoid distorted sound. Now, let's talk about streaming protocols. Most encoders support RTMP, HLS, and HDP. Choose RTMP if you're streaming to platforms like YouTube or Facebook. For more flexible streaming, consider HLS, which is great for delivering content to viewers across various devices. After your settings are configured, it's time for the moment of truth. Start your stream. Monitor the encoder status to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you encounter hiccups, double-check your internet connection and settings. Remember, practice makes perfect, so test your setup ahead of any big event. And for those looking for an outstanding IPTV service, remember, 2TV Store is here to help you with amazing options. Check out the link in the description for more. As we wrap up, I hope you're feeling empowered to create your own IPTV streams with HDMI encoders. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth content. Happy streaming!